self-imposed Triple C Secretary General Sengiso Chabangu has caused more divisions in the party after he fired more party cadres from the Parliament Portfolio Committee post last week. Sanapenda mashoko atuna kuti aiwa Sengiso Chabangu aiwa ocreator imwe parallel citizen coalition for change. Zvatikuna panguva inoi people that are not happy with his intervention. Sanapenda mashoko amene kwa pana pa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pa mzimu unanyora chiti. General Sengiso Chabangu has caused more divisions in the party after he fired more party cadres from their Parliament Portfolio Committee post last week. Chabangu removed several party leaders from the key positions in Parliament, replacing them with legislators more aligned with his interests. Chabangu recently dismissed Juliet Karenyekore as the leader of the House in National Assembly, appointing Maureen Kadem Maumbe and the Sanidale legislator as their replacement. Former Chief Whip Edwin Shuriwa was also removed in the reshuffle. Triple C spokesperson Williams Mazimure said the party did not support the reshuffle orchestrated by Chabangu. He said, "It is not necessary, but because someone wants to flex their muscles, they make those unilateral decisions. We did not get any reason why those people were demoted. There are other serious and pressing issues that we should be focusing on, not this child's play. I thought some of the people appointed to these positions must use common sense. We are making considerations to see how we can deal with the issue, but we know that no more recalls are going to take place." Even the speaker Chikomdinda knows that. Tomashukwa tuna kuti aiwa Sengiso Chabangu auya akasplit again akakodzeresa aiwa kurovana aiwa nekukuwadzana zvatikura zvakuitika kuCitizen Coalition for Change. Inozikanwa kuti aiwa ndiye vatengesi. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.